Did you know an entire town is still burning 60 years after a simple mistake? In 1962, Centralia, Pennsylvania was home to over 1,000 residents living above rich coal mines. On May 27th, the town decided to burn garbage in an old dump to clean it up. But the fire found an exposed coal vein and spread underground like a deadly infection. At first, nobody realized the horror beneath their feet. Then 12-year-old Todd Domboski nearly fell into a sinkhole filled with poisonous gas. Residents found their basements reaching over 100 degrees. Toxic carbon monoxide and sulfur gases leaked through sidewalk cracks. The underground fire had spread through miles of coal seams and couldn't be stopped. By 1984, the government forced everyone to evacuate. Today, Centralia is a ghost town with smoke still rising from the ground. Only a few stubborn residents refuse to leave. The fire will keep burning for another 250 years. An entire community destroyed by flames they can never see.